Have a nice day.
Good. What do you say to the police officers and law enforcement officers who don't attend training because their agencies won't pay for it?
Yeah.
Like, I'm not going to go pay for training if they're not paying.
You know, you're playing with your life. As with any craft, machinists or tool makers or anything else, you have to be prepared to spend some of your own money on your own training. Policing is a profession, and you're a professional. To expect your employer to provide all the training you need is pretty naive.
Invest in yourself.
You have to invest in yourself, and it's investing in your own health. Some people listening to this have families who are dependent on them. When you get killed because of a lack of training, just a lack of skills, where you could have prevailed otherwise, then your department will throw a nice funeral, and they'll have a little memorial, and they'll hire someone else. And a year from now, nobody will remember you.
Okay.
I'm not sure they're going to remember any of us, for that matter. But the fact is, and I just say they don't care, but to them, you know, depending on how big a department you have, we hire people. People come and go every day. And if you get killed, we'll just hire someone else, and we'll be on our way. For your family, you going away like that is a little more serious. And you're not going to be around to do the things you need to do. I remember attending a lecture by Bill Jordan, who was the last generation. And I remember Bill, I was a young police officer at the time, and it really stuck with me when he said, he looked at all of us and he said, "Do you want your kids calling someone else daddy? You better pay attention here, because that's exactly what's going to happen." And boy, that really hit me, and it struck me, and I thought, boy, he is absolutely right. And so you can't expect other people to care about you more than you care about yourself. You're the one that has to make sure you're up to the task, and you have to step up to the plate and do what you need to do to make sure you live through, you know, the next few years. We are heading into some very exciting world history right now, and it's a come as you are war, and you're ready or you're not. And in the end, nobody cares if you don't.
Absolutely, I agree.